This is an instruction video for bloggers and WordPress bloggers especially. If you are a first-time blogger, I hope this will help you out. I will be outlining the steps that are required in writing and posting your blog. So stay tuned and follow along if you must. Okay, so what we can see here is the dashboard. And this is what you get after you've logged on as the author of your blog or blog website or your WordPress website. Now, you have two options, either to go to post and click on add new, or if you hover your mouse over where it says new up top, you have the option to click on post as well. So I'll click on post now. Now this brings me to this page in WordPress Editor, which is giving me now the ability to edit my text. Up top, you can see there's the option to edit with Elementor, and that's because I have the plugin installed. If I have other plugins installed as well, I would have these options available for me. But in this video, I would like to show you how you can simply edit right from this page in WordPress Editor. Now let's look at editing some text. Where it says add title, I can add a title there. And bear in mind that this this word text, will appear in the URL of this blog post. Now at the bottom it says type / I think that's a / to choose a block. So you can either do that, or if I just click on it, it gives me this button here to add a block. If I click on this button or this plus sign there, now you see all these other options that are available to me. I can add a paragraph or image or heading. I'll say maybe I'll choose heading first, so I can choose the article title. So I'll say example blog post or something like that. But that's my title. So if I just click on it in this space here, now it gives me this pop-up where you see there are options that I can change the text alignment or the font size and other things like I want to bold it or italics. So I'll try to change the text size, make it a bit smaller. So change it to H3, and I want to change the alignment. So I think I'll leave it as that for now. Now I can continue on by adding another block, and I'd like to do that. So I'd click on the plus sign again. Now I want to add image. So that will come below the text heading, and I can upload my image. I can click on upload to upload from my computer if I have it saved locally, or from the media library. And since I have some images already, I can just select an image in the media library. I'll click and select here. And on the left side, I think this is what's important. So if you're uploading an image for the first time, so if you have an image locally saved on your computer, you can go here to upload files and select files. And you click on that, it will take you to your computer where you can browse to the location where you have saved your image, and then you can select it and click on open. By doing so, it will upload your image into here, the media library. So now you will need to have alt, text, and title. These are important for optimizing your website. So it's important that you put a name that works well for your website for optimization purposes. But for now, since I have already given a name here, I'll just go ahead and click on select. Now you see it has added this image onto the page. Now if I just click on this image, I have the same pop-up there, and now I have the options to either replace the image if I want to. If I'm not happy with the image, I can replace it. And there are other options to change the alignment. I'd like to do that, so I'll align it center. And there are other options if you want to crop it, but I'm happy the way it is for now. And then at the bottom I could like add a text. I don't know, I'll just say something like sustainable development program or something. Now I'd like to go on and add the content of this blog post. So what I can do as I've already explained before, I can either go to this plus sign here or button and click on it to add a paragraph so I can start typing the content of this blog. Or if I had the last box selected like that, and I'll just move my mouse down a little, and then you'll see the plus sign is also there. So I can either do it this way or just clicking on the space like this, and I'll add paragraph. Now I can add the content of this blog, and I'll just use the free text from this website. So I'll just copy this foreign text and I'll paste it in. Paste it in here, and again it is giving me this pop-up where I can edit this text. I can change the blog type, I can align text, but for this example and for this the sake of this video, I'll just keep it as this for now. Now once I am happy, I can, so you see up top it's auto saving, so that's the good thing about WordPress. So every time when you make changes, it saves as well, or you can also save manually by clicking in the save draft, and then you can preview by previewing the changes. So there are options there where if I want to I want to see how this blog would look on a desktop, computer, or tablet, or mobile. I could select the options accordingly. I click on preview in a new tab. This will open this blog in a new tab, and it's showing me now the preview of this blog post. So if I publish this post, this is how it would look like. At the bottom it will show this part where people can leave their comments, and it will show who's logged in currently as well, and or who posted, or who is the author posted this blog as well. So your name will be showing at the bottom as well. Now when I'm happy, I can just go and click on publish, and now my blog will be published, and I can start sharing the links and people can go and read my blog post. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.